Away they go. Skara fast to begin. One slow out. Squeeze. Iskara fast to begin, followed by Magic Fantasy, Andorra. And racing in between runners, Hadjok Danori inside, fifth Danis Minstra, 6 Fearless, 7th position belongs to Madame Leonora, 8 is Has It Coming, Donori inside, Saber the Champagne, 4th last Purely Kalitay Pundoring, You Belong to Me, and a squeeze running in 14, Andorra, the favorites, now the leader, followed by Scarab in second. Magic Fantasy is running in third, moving up Fearless in fourth. Fifth, Danish Minstrel. Sixth position, Madame Leonora Hadjok. And rushing up now is You Belong to Me, Squeeze Danori inside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Andorra, the favorite, is now the leader by about 5 lengths, followed by Scarab. And nearing the finish line, the favorite, Andorra, number 12. Second, Scarab, You Belong to Me, Magic Fantasy, Saber the Champagne, and for your Super 6, Fearless.
Okay, 12.85, unofficial order of arrival, crossing